There we go. Okay, today something different. I am doing chicken bacon Swiss. So I have baked up some chicken patties. I have added some Swiss cheese. I have fried some bacon. I've got it draining on a towel because, nobody needs that extra grease. No matter what a lot of people say. I have warmed my buns because we keep them frozen. So, hot. There is my chicken bacon Swiss. And now when my daughter gets home from school, she can add, like, I don't know, mayonnaise, ketchup, mustard, whatever it is she wants on it. But yes, this is supper tonight. Quick and easy. And it will fill your belly. So this, a salad, and no, she doesn't always eat the salad, but it's still a good supper. Bye.